How to configure own shortcuts for styles. When I Ctrl+B a selected text, it will become bold. Alas, this style is directly formatted, which means it gets lost once I default via Ctrl+M, yet whenever I reset the whole document, I only want it to lose some other direct styles that are introduced by copying from different resources. So I defined my own non-direct character style, my bold, and I'm now wondering how to configure a keyboard shortcut to apply it onto the current marked text, as manually selecting it from the styles and formatting list gets very tiresome fast.
You can assign keyboard shortcuts to styles in the Tools is greater than Customize menu. In the Keyboard tab, the bottom of the category field, you can expand styles to find your custom styles. Then just assign them a shortcut in the top field, click Modify and OK.
I know it's a very old question and that I should comment, but I don't have enough reputation. There's a very simple workaround to avoid the toggle problem. Just assign another shortcut. I use Ctrl+D to the default character style.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.